Yentoa so emfa ye nintremu ewo nsemo eboboba ewo yenkuayomu ensemo checheni bi wo University of Cape Coast Department of Agricultural and Mechanical Engineering Dr. Francis Kumi odi adesrade ato aban enim se wo yenhyehyɛ pa ewo kuayomu de nanso ase won abefo kwan so wo bo amakuayo fa ne ntoma pefra no wayi nani e de ama wonti wosre se anka aban endane nani emfa nhwe ho nso.
Dr. Francis Kumi checheni edema Department of Agriculture and Mechanical Engineering ewo University of Cape Coast na openia kasa de afa na no Farmers Day a so na ninsema wo kan se wo hwe sene aban no ede abasobode de ma yenuanom biom tumi bom homoden ewo kuayomu no pa na mom no omanani enko yenuanom so wo mutumi mfididwuma bi se mobile apps sensors na afa nso kuayo ho mfidie na etumi aboa na wo so dia no mo ye ne ni eku ho no na eba be so kuayo no ase na emuye no atumi aye ha ne nsem okan ni sei na ochiremu
ze member aman abaso biem say Farmers Day twemu no and say aban no omo as part of the awards no many of them were they gave them technological tools, be it machines, be it tools, be it various things Obaahemaa kuayo no ebekoleni, which is good. That means that they are buying any more agricultural mechanization or modernization. However, my suggestion can say you will look at agri-technology developers. Ebi mu ye machines, ebi mu ye mobile apps, ebi mu ye sensors, ebi mu ye different things. Some of them they are doing it almost a small scale, at a small scale. They have the potential of becoming big. Yeah, so when it comes to some of these occasions, national occasions, can we recognize those people? Can we recognize those startups? Can we recognize those companies, local companies who are making strive on their own to ensure say agriculture becomes modernized in this country? You who say post-harvest losses are very high. Can we find a way of solving it locally using some of these technologies? And you know, when we recognize their effort, give them some awards, we have bomb chidom near there, but boam almost on by how mono, almost any baba so more. Currently, as we speak, cattlers cry, most of the cattlers in your country. Can you know now blacksmith, be your blacksmith, and they offer corner blacksmith now in ego because we don't encourage local innovators, people who do some of these basic things. We can't continue to be importing everything. Some of the things that are imported can be made here. So let us find a way of encouraging people within to also develop their talent and their skills so that we can develop some of these technologies here. And when they develop them, let us recognize them.